How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the settings of your Android device, then scroll down and select this option of Wi-Fi over here. Then click on Wi-Fi assistant and make sure that you have turned on this particular option which says select best networks automatically. Now this will select the best network that you have in your Wi-Fi and it will select it automatically even when you are playing games or doing anything. And after that, it should be working quite fine. If it is not working, then turn on the developer mode on your Android. For this, just simply click on the Android version over here and keep clicking on it continuously and you would become a developer. After that, just get back and go to your developer options. Like over here in the additional settings, when we scroll down, you would be able to find this option of developer options. Simply scroll down, keep scrolling, and you would find this option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. Simply enable this option as this will reduce your battery drain as well as it will improve your network performance. And in case if you want to keep your mobile data inactive, then simply turn this option off, and this way your mobile data will not be turned on automatically if it is the best network, and this way you can remain on your Wi-Fi and stay connected to it. If it is still not working, then just simply open up this option of connection and sharing and scroll down. Over here you get this option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Simply reset your Wi-Fi and this way it should be working quite fine. And these are the ways that you can utilize in order to solve your Wi-Fi problem. You can also restart your device in order to solve this problem. It works in some cases. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.